Office workers are often stressed and busy due to daily anxieties, abnormal meal times, pressure working overtime, often staying up late, and socializing, drinking, etc. This can cause heartburn, stomach upsets, sleep disorders, and tiredness, which translates into great troubles in life. Today, I'm introducing you to an acupuncture point called Laogong, which should help. Stay tuned. Hello, welcome to Health Tips with Serpina. Chinese doctors say acupuncture points are the medicines, the body is the pharmacy. The Laogong point is relatively unique and is on the Pericardium Meridian. It can adjust the body's cardiopulmonary function and has excellent effects on internal organs. Often massaging the Laogong points can alleviate problems in the stomach, clear internal body fat, and also has the effect of strengthening the heart, relieving insomnia, neurasthenia, and high blood pressure caused by anger, stress, and excitement. The Laogong point is located in the middle of each palm. Turn your hand into a fist. Ensure your middle finger's end. Point to the place on your palm where is the Laogong point is. Here. There are 3 ways to stimulate the Laogong points. Choose the one which is most comfortable for you. Remember, do not press or rub too hard. Just feeling a slight soreness is enough. Method 1. You use one thumb to lightly press on the other hand's Laogong points. It will feel a little sore. And then now you rub this point up and down for 20 to 30 seconds. Twice a day. Method 2. Use the back of one fist or middle finger joint. Gently press the point. Again, up and down, 20 to 30 seconds, twice a day. Method 3. You use massage stick or cotton buds to press this point, same the way, up and down, 20 to 30 seconds, twice a day. Remember, continuation is the key to reduce internal fire and achieve a calm mind.
So here's some information about the principles of acupuncture. Traditional Chinese acupuncture has been studied and practiced for over 2,500 years and is based on the belief that an energy or life force, known as qi, flows through the body in channels called meridians and acts as a natural painkiller. The principle of acupuncture is to treat diseases by dredging the meridians, reconciling body imbalances, called yin and yang, and so treating all manner of ailments. By stimulating various body points, known as nodes, acupuncture accelerates local blood circulation, enhances cell growth and vitality, and restores the body to its yin and yang equilibrium, ensuring that the qi and blood then travel to all the furthest parts of the body. In doing so, the functional status of the viscera, joints, muscles, and tendons, etc. are improved, so curing pain and disease. Acupuncture doesn't always require needles either. Just a knock, rub, press, or tap on acupuncture points can also achieve excellent results for many ailments, often working best in chronic situations as well as less painful ones.
Many have asked me to make acupuncture points videos, so when they have some health problems, they can relieve them easily. So I hope that the Laogong points is useful. That's it for this time. Please pass these tips on to your family and your friends, and let's see more people benefit. Also, you can let me know what subject you wish to learn about, and then I will try my best to make a video for it. By the way, if you subscribe my channel, ring the bell, and then you won't miss any of my health tips information. Many thanks, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.